My name is David Rosetzky and I'm a teacher at Photography Studies College and I teach the Fine Art major. I guess thinking about photography in terms of my own practice, in which I work mostly with portraiture and photographing people, and I also work with video. I think photography is a really useful and interesting way to reflect and think about identity, subjectivity, and people's sense of self and how they want to present themselves to the world. So I think photography can be so many different things to different people, but for me it's an opportunity to collaborate with my subjects and create images and tell stories that reflect upon human experience and what it feels like to be in the world.